Hi. I am actually new to YouTube, so if you don't know my channel, you will now, because this is my first video. And I'm with my friend Alfie. He's in my game.
Hello.
Yeah, he's Minecraft Builder 498. And he's over there with the green hair, and I'm literally not doing anything.
I'm gonna come to you.
I've not done a thing, and it's already started because I have to do
stuck.
my intro.
Stop! Come to.
You
Wait.
cannot come to me. You are now stuck forever.
Look at where I am.
No, I don't want to. Why would I look where you are? Yeah, I've lost.
Wait, turn your
Goodbye.
camera to me. Watch. Ready? Hello, everyone.
Slash
We've lost.
point.
Yeah, we tried to start recording the video while that round was going, so we didn't really do much.
Yeah.
So yay.
If you know a YouTube account called It's Wolfie YT, that is my friend Olivia's YouTube account. Alfie, go to the glass and look down.
Oh my.
Quick. Go to the glass and look down.
I can't. Oh yeah. Hello.
Hello. Oh, I hate this one. I always lose. Oh,
What do you do?
you have to jump up and touch the clouds to get your colour. Always go at the back, because then the other people can change the colour of your clouds, and you can change the colour of theirs.
I don't even get this. Sorry.
Yeah. Do you want to go on a different game to make it easier?
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
So see you in a minute.
Bye. And we are in Ripple minigames.
Yay!
And
I'm level 7.
yeah, Alfie's level 7, and I'm level 1 because I've
Yay,
never.
the fog's gone!
Yay! I've never really played this game before. Because this is a new account. Oh, hi, Alfie. Right, let's go to the voting thing. The voting arena.
Come here.
What
Which one do
game?
you not like? One you don't like.
Ah,
I'm joking. What's on yours?
Hello.
Hello.
hello. I'm probably gonna die on this straight away.
I probably will.
Guys, after I've done about 2 more videos.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
Wait. Once I've done about 2 more videos, I'm gonna make an announcement, and I'm dead. Oh, I'm not.
Don't do a face reveal. Do it when you get 100 subscribers.
No. Oh, there we go. Let me.
Right, what she's trying to say is when she's confident with YouTube, and she has more subscribers than she thinks she'll get.
I'll do a face reveal.
Yay!
My face is ugly, so.
Not.
Well, thank you, Alfie.
How do I keep dying?
You're kind.
I can't get up there. Oh my.
At least someone in my life is kind. Oh, my family say my face is ugly. Just kidding. And guys, when I start doing face cam, after I've done the face reveal.
Oh, I just realised that hole. Oh
Once I've done the face reveal, when I've started using face cam, I am going to show you my cat. And Angel, that's her name. Her name
I'm going
is
to be
Angel.
in some of her videos because.
Yeah, Alfie's only going to be in some because he obviously doesn't live in my house. He has his own house. But he comes to I go to his most of the time, so.
I still come yours a lot.
Yeah, because we go to skate park together. I keep on dying. I can't even complete it. There we go.
Oh my. I can't even get through that hole.
You just got through it, though.
I nearly died. I died. Do you see me? Yay!
I'm just going to keep on dying because I can't do it. I can't do speedrun. Why does everyone have to vote for the one I can't do?
I'm awkward.
Guys, because I can't do it, I'm just going to keep on jumping.
Reset. I just reset as well.
Ouch.
Oof. I just oofed.
Yeah, me too. Let's go off spectate and just have fun. Right.
I'm gonna hit you with bacon.
No, I don't want bacon in my mouth. I don't want bread.
Wait, do you wanna play on the trampoline?
No,
Why?
because I want to go on the obby.
The obby, where? That's the trampolines. The little trampoline bounce things. Yeah, it's finished anyway.
I'm going to this. Oh, I hate when it does that. I can never
same.
see. I'm like, what?
So am I. Oh my. Look, I'm literally right there.
Oh, we both came. You came 10th, I came 9th.
Oh my. Because I couldn't get through a hole. The little hole was too big.
How can a little hole be too big? It's little. Oh, my computer. Oh no.
Oh
Boing.
my.
Go to voting. Boink. Oh, double blows. No,
Boink.
thank you.
I
My
haven't even
field.
looked.
Whoa, disco ball. Yay!
Oh, minefield, yay! Jinx, we don't have holes.
Oh no! We have to avoid the random place.
Oh, this is easy.
Randomly placed mines. Oh no, I'm gonna die.
I'm
I'm
not.
still dancing.
So am I. I'm not even in the game. Oh wait, yeah, I am. I'm jumping somehow and still dancing. Oh no,
I'm not
anymore.
anymore. Stay out of my way, mines. No!
Don't stand on them!
Yeah, but the randomly placed Sophie.
I've not got hit by one yet.
I have. I've been hit by loads. And you only get about 1 minute to do it. No, stay out of my way. No! I got put right back to the beginning. Stay in the corner, no place there. No!
I nearly made it.
Me too, but
Look!
I can see you.
See
No.
No! Got put back to the beginning.
I hate that. No! This is literally impossible.
No one stand on the mine!
Well, the randomly placed, how are we not going to?
Oh my. Lag. That's okay. Oof. I just found something. Just go past it.
Made it.
Oof. Why do you make it but I don't? They randomly set off as well. And I don't even touch them. Oh my gosh, I was so close. Look, I'm there.
Oh.
Wow.
You're like, why did I do that?
I came 11th.
Should I do my face reveal next video?
No, probably when you get enough subscribers.
Reveal the next video.
No, because
Oh, my body.
what's that?
Oh.
100 video special?
What's that?
Where you have 100 videos?
Nah, I want to do it next video.
Wait, 4 corners.
Because she's stupid. My mom's just stupid, so. Oh, there's a heart on the floor. Ah!
Oh, I was just watching your screen then. Oh, I'm a snowman.
No, don't you dare. Stay away from
No,
me.
I went into chat.
No,
I'm gonna get my bacon out.
Ah.
No one go near me. I'm literally stood right next to you.
Help me.
Yeah.
Help.
Yeah.
Help.
Yeah.
Help.
I keep pressing them.
Yay.
I'm stuck in a screen.
Haha.
Get me out there. Oh.
You're not allowed to cheat and look on my screen and see where I am.
Okay, I will.
What was that?
Wait, what?
Guys, I literally look like a noob.
Oh my gosh, disco balls.
There's only 3 people left.
Oh, I just
and
seen you.
Oh no. Stay away from me. No.
We're all after you.
No.
I'm dancing. I'm dancing. Fine.
Quit dancing, boy. Yeah, it's over. Nom nom nom.
No.
Shush.
No.
Shush. Oh! I won.
I'm
You
lost.
lost. Yeah,
Why am I so bad at this?
Guys, I think that's a wrap for this video. So,
Yeet!
so I will see you on my next video.
Oofed.
Bye.